And here's where things get really neat. Coming into some of my favorite features is we wanted to eliminate the need for real estate investors to have to utilize QuickBooks and Xero and Sherpa and a bank access and Rocket Money and 14 other platforms to just see what their expenses are, their utilities, their banking information, their analytics of the property. So we're giving you one in-house. Inside the utilities and expense tab, you get full transaction management, full direct link using Plaid and Plaid Assistant APIs to your bank, direct API integration to any API capable utilities company that allows you to, at a glance, see utility management, see income and expense, see the breakdown of your investments and wherever dollar is going, and see the usage analytics of that, either by property or by investor or by group. Through the host management tab, we also start coming into some pretty cool advanced features, such as the migration wizard. Now, I know what a lot of you guys are thinking. I've been on PadSplit for 3 years. I've got 15 properties. I got 5 properties. I got 50 properties. I got 35 tenants. I got 115 tenants. How the hell do I get all of that over to a new platform? Well, we are currently in process of finalizing the development and the launch of the very first cohabitational living migration tool. This will scrape all of the properties, all of the rooms, all of the tenant history, all of your documents, and all of your billing data from your PadSplit account, export that into capable uploadable files, and automatically import those data files from the mapped configuration directly into CoRent. That means no more, I have PadSplit, I have CoRent, I have to move everything one by one. That means in as little as 1 day, you can migrate everything from PadSplit directly into CoRent with a seamless transition. And then from that transition, you can actually see the event logs, the imported tenants, the settings for importation, the access and role management for how you want to configure your team to be able to access, and then leverage the marketing management platform to syndicate all of your rooms and properties you've brought in to Zillow, HotPads, Facebook Marketplace, Realtor.com, as well as leverage Facebook and Google ads for duration of properties, campaign setup with AI generation to create your ads based on your properties and information that you submit, with advanced preview and call to action, as well as for Google ads, same AI generation assistant. And here's where things get really neat. The tenant nurture campaign not only can be used to nurture previous tenants, current tenants, and future potential tenants, it can also be utilized to send out a welcome sequence that you create to anybody you have migrated from PadSplit or an alternative platform. So rather than John Smith and Susie Smith and 15 other tenants that you've brought over from PadSplit being shocked that PadSplit no longer works and they have no idea what's going on, and you have to call everyone and manually send an email to everyone and outreach to make sure that they're aware of the new process and the new agreements, in as little as 5 minutes, you can create an email campaign utilizing our builder, a text campaign utilizing our builder, and a workflow automation utilizing our builder, and send them all of the migration rules, SOPs, guidelines, updates, benefits, login access information straight from your platform.